Okay, just to expand on the last lecture, let's actually add some extra items for this menu so we can see the menu in action. So I'm going to just create two new files, one called contact.html, and it's going to just have a contact us, just a bit of text just to show this in action. And then I'm going to create another one called about.html, and again we're just going to go about us. Very simple pages. Then in our index, I'm just going to change this one from the hash to about.html. So it actually even knows, it can see it in our file, so it auto completes for us. And then this one's going to be contact.html. So let's just save that. Go back to our page. I'm going to need to refresh this so it picks up the new settings. And now if I click that, you can see about and contact us. Okay, so you can see that the menu works very well. Okay, it doesn't look too much like a menu at the moment, but it works like a menu, and that's the point. At this stage we have a nice menu set up.